So where do we get the tickets? Filmens wir mir vorbeifahren. Wir winken jetzt. Hello. Well, you study economics, right?
Yeah.
So you should be able to enter. Vienna Airport. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Na, wir bleiben da Wien. Ein bisschen Wien, schönes Wetter. Auto ausreichen.
Malle. Stückchen Nudeln. Hier, filmen. Do you see the gate? See the gate?
Servus. Now it's the last chance. We can go back to Vienna.
Okay. But a big first step for humanity.
Assessment now?
No, in the kebab.
Oh man. What are we doing here? What are we even doing here? We had a plan with a VW Polo, sleeping in the car, 3 people, but the first car rental screwed us over. Paid 150, was it 150?
155.
55. Didn't get the money back, maybe, yeah, it was 10 p.m.
It was 10 p.m. when we were at the first car rental and we got denied, and most of the other car rentals were already shut, so we had to look for one that would accept the payment methods that would work for us and ones that were open. So we went to Cesar.
Fucking 10 euro for the
10
win.
euro.
10 euro for the win.
We
Also, oh shit, I cannot read Spanish. It said agua mineral natural, but with gas. I want gas. I got gas coming out of my ass. And that's when we bumped into Centauro. La mejor noleggio de la máquina a mí es mucho gusto, la máquina nueva. Por esto yo dice, mira este.
No. Nice. Skirt.
This is where we parked the car. Cue the cinema.
I dreamt I had a dream out in the desert, lying naked underneath a liquid sky. I had no past as time was moving backwards, just the burning sun reflected in my eyes. Burning sun.
Man, where's your jacket? Oh, right. Yeah, it's fucking cold here. Wait, what? Nini, what the hell are you doing? Flexing on the goats, you know what I mean? We headed to make a fire. It's gonna be fire. Yeah, it's gonna be.
But maybe they'll actually call the police or fire department. There's hope, guys. There's hope. Yes,